Hello, friends! Today we present the legendary VAZ 2102, a multifunctional station wagon from the Soviet past. First, let's take a look at the yellow police version with its siren and emblem, a true king of the streets in the USSR. In the second part of the video, we'll showcase its civilian counterpart in classic blue. This car wasn't just a means of transportation, it was a way of life. Family road trips, summer vacations, village visits, or urgent work matters, the VAZ 2102 was ready for anything. The VAZ 2102 police version became a symbol of Soviet law enforcement and was used daily alongside other vehicles by the authorities. It was meant to make city streets safer, equipped with a special radio connection, roof hatch, and necessary gear in the trunk. The siren on top warned everyone, "The police are coming!" This model reminds us not only of the hard work of law enforcement, but also of the atmosphere of an entire era. When seeing a car like this on the street, you instantly knew something was happening. And here we have the civilian version of the VAZ 2102, owned by millions of families. The light blue VAZ 2102. A station wagon that could carry everything. Luggage, children's bicycles, and even grandparents. Trips to the countryside, mountain getaways, or seaside holidays. This car was ready for it all. Its simple design and reliability still earn admiration from many people to this day. We hope you enjoyed today's featured cars and this little trip into the past. Join us on our channel. Let's relive the past, explore automotive history, and travel together in our time machine.